Good morning children, welcome to the online study class. Myself Rasmi Mishra and I am teaching SST. Children, you got to know from this chapter 15, Advancements in Science, Vigyan ki Adhunikta. Children, from this chapter you got to know about the medical instruments, stethoscope, clinical thermometer. Now I am going to tell you about the microscope, which is also an instrument. Let's start study. There are millions of living organisms. Organism is जीव जंतु या प्राणी. Which are unseen by unaided eyes. You know children, there are the millions of the organisms which are unseen, which are invisible by the unaided eyes. The invention of the microscope made these organisms visible. Tiny objects or organisms that are responsible for causing diseases could be seen clearly and magnified through a microscope. So children, after the invention of the microscope, the tiny objects can be seen from the microscope, and these are the visible now, and we can clearly see the objects which are responsible for causing diseases. The invention of the microscope is a very interesting story. About how they invented the microscope. The two spectacle makers put several lenses in a tube and noted that the objects seen through it appeared enlarged. It means children, the two spectacle makers put several types of the lenses in a tube and they noted that the tiny objects are becoming enlarged. It was called a flea glass. That is called the flea glass, and it became very popular. Galileo studied this invention and further improved it. And when the Galileo heard about this news, and he studied this invention and further improved. Over the years, the microscope transformed into an advanced model that is used today. And after over the years, the microscope transformed into an advanced model which are using today. The word of microbes or disease-causing germs came into light with the invention of microscope. Dear children, with the invention of the microscope, there the word of the microbes or disease-causing germs came into light. They could now easily be seen, studied, and consequently, the cure for the diseases also became possible. After the invention of the microscope, there is a microbes, disease-causing germs came into light, and they are now easily be seen and studied, and consequently the cure for the diseases also became possible. We can know about the diseases. Life-saving machines. With the advancement in science, scientists and doctors made machines that were more effective and proved to be useful in diagnosing and treating diseases. They could now easily see and understand what happens inside the human's body with the help of these machines. You know children, with the advancement in the science, the scientists made machines, scientists and doctors made a machine that were more effective, and now the diagnosing and the treating a disease is very effectively and very easy for the doctors, and the doctors can see what is happening inside a human body, and with the help of these machines. A fractured bone could be detected with the help of X-ray machine. You know children, by the X-ray machine we can see the fractured bone, and it could be detected with the help of the X-ray machine. Brain and other internal organs can be scanned and monitored with the CT scan and MRI. You know children, now the internal part of the brain and the internal organs of the brain can be scanned and monitored by with the CT scan and MRI. CT scan, the full form of the CT, computer tomography. And the MRI. Magnetic resonance image. Children, full form of the CT, computer tomography, and MRI, magnetic resonance image, is the full form. An unborn child's movement can easily be seen on a monitor screen with the help of ultrasound. Children, we can see now the unborn child's movement, every movement of the unborn child with the help of the ultrasound on the computer screen. The miraculous medicines, चमत्कृत दवाएं. After scientists and doctors understood about diseases, the next task was to find a way to cure them. Children, you know about the instrument from that the doctors can find the diseases. Now the task for the scientists and doctors, that is the diseases, the next task was to find a way to cure them. Invention of the medicines helped in curing diseases. Let us know about some of these medicines which are very helpful to the doctors. Children, here the different types of the medicines which are useful for the doctors, and from these medicines it helped in curing diseases after the invention of the medicines. The first is chloroform. James Simpson was the first one to use chloroform in surgery. Chloroform makes a person unconscious. You know, children, the first one was the man who used the chloroform in surgery was the James Simpson. And the chloroform makes a person unconscious. Unconscious means achaitanya. Means behosh. In earlier times, surgery was very difficult as the patient remained conscious during surgery, and it was quite painful for him. You know, children, when before the invention of the chloroform, the surgery was very difficult because the patient remained conscious during surgery and he felt the pain. Nowadays, anesthesia is given to patients to make them unconscious. The early anesthesia used in surgery was chloroform. You know, children, the anesthesia which is given to the patients to make unconscious, and the early anesthesia used in surgery was the chloroform. Penicillin. An antibiotic is a chemical secreted by some germs which is capable of killing other germs. You know, children, penicillin is an antibiotic is a medicine. It is a chemical secreted by some germs which is capable to killing other germs. It kills the other germs. Penicillin is an antibiotic discovered by Sir Alexander Fleming. Antibiotic uses prevented the growth of the germs that cause diseases such as typhoid, plague, cholera and tuberculosis. You know, children, the inventor of the penicillin was the Sir Alexander Fleming, and it is used to prevent the growth of germs that cause diseases like typhoid, dengue, cholera and tuberculosis. Now the prevention of the diseases. Children, how to prevent from the diseases? Advanced medicines have no doubt helped in treating and curing diseases, but as it is very well said, prevention is better than cure. Scientists have discovered some techniques which would prevent the disease from occurring. Let us learn about them. Children, it is well said that the prevention is better than the cure. That's why the scientists have discovered some techniques which would prevent the diseases from occurring. So let us learn about that. Children, tomorrow I'll tell you about the vaccination. Thank you. Have a great day.